BY007S phone power cable, applicable to the whole series of mobile phone charging detection. Connect to Type_C power supply. Easy to carry and use. Micro USB cable connected to the phone does not respond. The phone will work only if we press down on the connector with our hand. As soon as we let go of our hands, the phone won't turn on. Indicates that there is a problem with the rear plug of the mobile phone. Remove the screws and open the case. Disconnect the battery. Remove the battery. Remove the tail plug cable. The air gun temperature is set to 280 degrees, and the wind speed is 39. Remove the tail connector. Add solder paste and drag pads with low temperature solder wire. Clean the pads with PCB water. Add solder paste. Solder the interface with the air gun. Use a soldering iron to repair the pads of the joint. Put the tailpiece back on the phone. Replacing the external device and battery. Tighten screws and connect cables. Reinstall the case. Connect the BY007S power cord. Power on normally. Phone is charging. Phone showing charging icon. Repair done. Thank you for watching.